Today's video is sponsored by newperspectivesmusic.com. Oh wait, that's me. That's right, because I don't take big corporations' money to help make these videos possible. I make these videos possible thanks to the support of you who shop at my stores and buy my plans, my parts, my guitars, my accessories, all that stuff which you can find over at newperspectivesmusic.com. Back to the show. I'm designing and making a guitar for a local left-handed musician who has a hard time finding all the little toys and tricks and things that he wants to experiment with because there's just not as many left-handed guitars out there. So what we're doing is we're building a guitar that's going to be kind of convertible for him. It's kind of an oversized pickguard so he can try different pickup combinations by just swapping that out like a Strat. And we're going to be able to bolt on a bunch of different necks. And the first neck he wanted to try was something that was scalloped, and we just did the top half. And so instead of spending all the money to have me design and make a left-handed scalloped guitar neck from scratch, which we might do in the future if it's what he wants, he just went and bought this inexpensive neck off the internet, brought it to me, and I just filed these out. And you can see it was really not that hard to do. It's something you could totally do yourself on your guitar with very basic tools, and I hope this video helps you figure out how to do that. And as far as for the rest of the guitar, I'm sure something interesting will pop up while making it, and if it does, I'll share it here on the channel. All right, thanks a lot. Oh yeah, lefty. Thanks a lot and be good. It's gonna have an upside down headstock, but that's kind of cool.